Okay, it's a Kenworth T800 wide hood. It's got 29,944 hours on it, 467,467 miles. Does have full lockers on it, cruise control, 18 speed, one window, power window, that works, then power locks, and they work. Go ahead and drive the truck here. Transmission feels good. I mean, as far as I know, everything's ready to go on this truck, except for my ability to shift. So, feels good. So the splitter works. This engine was rebuilt by Peterbilt. I'll have to get the paperwork on it, but it was redone. Steering feels good on the truck. .550 horsepower. High range works. So, if you have any questions, feel free to call. Right gear.